Alright, day 2 of wrapping the FRS. Got the fellas helping me out, taking off pretty much what you can. So the side mirrors, door handles, should be easier than the BRZ because... Why?
The mirror connector.
Oh.
My mirror connector already came out by now.
Bruh, this side came out easy. So while those guys are working on that, I'm gonna start wrapping all of my body kit pieces. And I'm just gonna make it easy on myself, and if I have to, I'll use the knifeless tape because the chrome doesn't conform well with curves. Again, we'll do our best. But Larry is getting the hang of it. Ooh, that is actually so clean, man.
It's so shiny.
One Piece. We'll call you One Piece from now on. Good job, bro. Wow. Thank you for driving us today to get the arcs. and then driving it until it didn't work.
Well, thanks for picking me up from the gas station.
Oh yeah, of course. Oh yeah. I don't want to wipe it down yet because microfiber towels actually scratch this, but one piece down out of like 16. Oh, damn. I had to do this in 4 pieces. 1, this middle section is 2, top, and then this side. And tried to make it as seamless as possible, but hard to tell. Yeah, nice. Status update. Dang, you can really see yourself.
My eyes hurt.
This can really blind people. I wonder how long it'll take for me to get my first ticket. This is like super illegal. Yeah, I jinxed it. Larry's finished this side. He's really getting good with vinyl wraps in general, but chrome, like I said, it's actually really hard to work with. It's really delicate, so you have to be really careful not to overheat it, not to overstretch it, because it discolors really easily. So yeah, Larry was able to get this door in 1 piece. No discoloration on the door. I'm just scared to drive this thing because unless I PPF the entire car, it's gonna get scratched the F up. Like lightly sandblasted over the next few years.
The slightest like wind gust, like even when you're not driving.
Yep, we'll see. Remember guys, the goal was always to build your car to drive the trophy. Not to win them, but to drive one. There you go. This is my gold trophy.
I think the girls with their nails done now.
Okay, we spent an all-nighter trying to wrap as many of the body kit pieces as we could, and we've only done like 3. Here's one of the pieces though. This one is completely done. And right now I'm just working on this one. Again, chrome is just demands patience, but it's okay to work with. Alright, let's bring these to the garage. Alright guys, day 3 of turning our FRS gold. So I actually spent an all-nighter trying to wrap as much of the body kit pieces as I could. And this is how they turned out. One side is practically finished, but right now what I'm doing is I'm putting this gasket liner. Actually, for those wondering what this is called, this is a car trade secret, okay? It's an actual Toyota part for Toyota trucks, and it's called quarter panel molding, but I call it rubber gasket liner. And it basically has a 3M adhesive on one side. On curves like this, you do have to do some relief cuts. That's what we're doing right now. But yesterday, we managed to get both sides pretty gold. So all that's really missing is the body kit, as well as the front bumper and the rear bumper. And that is what I'm working on right now. I had to rebond the front bumper because I already broke it, but that's okay. Once this is wrapped, no one will even notice. But we just got this painted and we already broke it. Sorry, Josh. Got Sunny over too. Thanks, brother. I thought you were going in for the handshake. I saw that. And we got going on here. What's up, brother? What's good? This is gonna be completely gold by the end of today. Shoutouts to this brat. What the? Rat cleaner wax. It's so faded. But yeah, this works really well. It's actually meant for wraps. Preview. Ooh. Damn. Black bolts really match too. I love it, dude. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, let's just continue. Front bumper, rear bumper, they're gonna be finished in the next few hours. Oh. He's holding on to his toy. Hi, Gohan. Hello, doggy. Oi. You playing with your toy. Good boy. Such a good shop dog.
Smoking cigarettes on patios.
You.
Here we go again. I was smoking cigarettes.
Day 4 of working on this thing. I'm running on 7 hours of sleep in the past 2 days, and I feel myself getting sick. It's not the corona, okay? The rear bumper's all finished, and on camera, I mean, that looks pretty good. You can't even see where I made my lines. Barely noticeable. Only people that's left here are me and Gohan. So sad. How are you, Bubba? Hey, so lonely out here. Oh, hi. I just gotta get this thing finished for Driven, which is in 1 day. It's gonna happen, don't worry. Only got the front bumper left. Shout outs, it's the tomato, Mr. Larry, for helping me wrap some of my body kit pieces. He saved me like 3 hours of work. So all the body kit pieces are finished. Just gotta do the side skirts left and this piece. But also, this is all that's left of my gold, is like maybe a small portion, which I think is just enough to do the front bumper. Luckily, I'm doing it in pieces because we're not really doing the center. We're gonna leave that black. Keep the Lexus style. If you guys remember, I kind of did this with my Rocket Bunny V2. I tried to make it look like a Lexus, just with a wrap. Since we have this Lexus style stand station bumper, we can actually do it now. Word of advice for people who want to wrap their car in chrome: don't. Especially if you want to do it yourself. I mean, there's a lot of factors. First off, it's really expensive. It just scratches super easily. So this entire wrap job we've been doing with the spray bottle of water and just our fingers. Right now, my fingertips are super sensitive, especially for 4 days of wrapping. And not to mention, chrome is just really tough to work with. If you overheat it, it discolors, but you also can't really bend it unless you heat it. So it took a little bit of learning how to work with the material, but we're getting somewhere. I just feel like it's gonna be very bright. All right, because we ran out of gold, we're gonna be using this. It's like a chameleon wrap. In some lights, it looks like it's gold, so you know what? Let's all get it. And it's only just gonna be a small patch anyway. It's not that much of a difference, especially in some angles. We got Larry helping out. We're about to leave in 2 hours and my entire car is in pieces. So yeah, let's get it. This is as good as she gets, bros. We're an hour. Actually, we should have left like 2 hours ago, but we here. It's all these guys and Gutu. And it's really who leaves first. Fresh Pandom, all those guys. Bruz. This is insane. But it's gonna scratch so easily. Damn. Okay, it's a 3-hour drive to Edmonton, so we'll see you guys when we get to the hotel. We're here. We got underground parking here. Nice, lots of room to work on my car. Check out our room for the night. And Gutu's testing out the Zoom crane.
It's so cool.
I don't know why we don't use it more often. Oh, the stationary.
It's like, whoa. So cool.
Alright guys, last minute prep here in the hotel room because I still have to wrap my side skirts with gold. So luckily, Gutu came in clutch with the gold. He had this left over from some of the vinyl work that he was doing on his car. Let's gold these out, and we still have to go downstairs to install them on the car. Just gonna be doing that for the rest of the night. And tomorrow's show actually starts around 9 a.m. So I think that's when they want the show exhibitors to be there at least. These are the only scissors also that I have. It'll have to make do. Alright, my dudes. Good enough. This one kind of has a mark there. That's okay. Alright, let's go bring these downstairs. Actually, take a look at this lobby. This is insane. We got this. It's 3 a.m. right now, by the way. Check this out. It's like Need for Speed Underground. Underground parking. Alright, let's get these on. Guys, I left all of the bolts for the side skirts in Calgary. But luckily, after digging through my entire car, I was able to find some. Check. Lifesaver. Luckily I had this extra tool bag underneath my seat. And get this going. Alright. That is the last piece. Finally. It is 4 a.m. and the show starts in 5 hours, so I should really get some sleep. Okay. All the body kit is on. Want to see some underglow? Boom. You know what? Since everyone's asleep, I think I'm just gonna do my shots right here in the front lobby. It's pretty dope, man. It's crazy. And that's too flashy, homie. It's Wait until the morning. I've had no sleep for the past 5 days trying to get this wrapped gold. So I think I'm gonna end this video and sleep and get my rest because we're waking up in like 5 hours just to go to the venue. So yeah, I should really get my rest. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next vlog.